Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. All you need to know about the poem. So let's start with the main idea of the poem. Pablo Neruda's Keeping Quiet is a profound appeal for peace, mutual understanding, and reflection. Point number two is silence and stillness. What's the importance of this? It reminds us that sometimes silence speaks louder than words, and that by pausing, we can rediscover harmony within ourselves, with others, and with nature. Now comes the universal appeal of the poem. This universal pause will transcend national, cultural, and linguistic barriers. Through point number four, he says that stop all the activities. He visualizes the effects of this pause and everyone would embrace peace and brotherhood instead of violence. Compassion for nature. In point number five, he says he asks to reconsider our impact on nature. Point number six, end to war and violence. He prays that warmongers would pause and act humanly. Point number seven, introspection. He uses introspection as a weapon and he says that silence can heal and reconnect us with our humanity. Point number eight, not death or idleness. Now he clarifies that he is not advocating complete idleness or death. Point number nine, lesson from nature. He says that nature is the greatest teacher after apparent death, like winter. Life returns in a form of spring. Point number 10, poet's departure. Now, what does he say? He says he ends gently asking us to keep quiet and think before he departs and leaving the message with us in a form of this poem. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more.